Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. So it's Wednesday. We're going to drop it off. It's supposed to be ready Saturday, guys. I'm super excited. Atlanta Harley-Davidson, shout out to them, guys. They gave me a super deal on the parts. They really hooked me up on the parts. If you need any parts, man, you're in Atlanta, go to Atlanta Harley-Davidson. Holler at JB. Tell him I sent you guys. So we about to slide, man. We about to get in traffic, headed to Atlanta Harley-Davidson to drop it off, man. Beautiful day today in Fairview, Georgia, man. Beautiful day. It's like 70 today. Didn't want to drop it off, but I'm so excited. I can't wait to get it done, get the work done. Hey guys, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Stay tuned.
It's a beautiful day today, man. Beautiful day today. Just put that Screaming Eagle heavy breathe on. Boy, you could tell the difference. Definitely tell the difference. We're getting a lot of more air. You wouldn't think that that breather would make a difference, man, but it actually makes a big difference. She would slide that tire like crazy now. Beautiful day, man. Like 70 degrees today. This is the last day that's gonna be warm. It's supposed to get down to like back in the 50s tomorrow. Cold front coming through. Yes, sir, man. I love it. I love it, man. I love it. Part is like, if you never rode a bike before, you have no idea. But if you know, you know, man. That feeling, I mean, it's like no other. Like no other. A king for a king. So when we get her back from the shop, man, it's gonna be a whole nother level, guys. Whole nother level. When I tell you that 114 stop, it runs. Stop 114 runs like crazy, man. Like stop, they move, a lot of torque, they move. So when you go to add a couple of goodies, raising up that torque and that horsepower, man, you know what you're gonna get. Gonna get a hot rod, man. Like, gonna be popping wheelies. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna do the chain and sprocket setup for sure. Gonna get it wrapped. I already found the color that I want. I already know what I'm doing. So as soon as we leave the shop, get this work done, we're headed straight to the shop, man. We're gonna get a wrap. Crazy color. Got a crazy color on the way. We're gonna announce the winner this weekend of the name. Haven't forgot about you guys. I just been super busy. But this weekend I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna choose the name, I'm gonna draw the name, announce the winner. And I have a special prize for you guys. I'm gonna give you guys a prize. The winners definitely gonna get a prize. Like I said, man, thanks for everybody. If you haven't been here the first time checking in with me, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. It's totally free, doesn't cost you a thing. Doesn't cost you a thing, guys. But yeah, we're on the way to Harley-Davidson right now, Atlanta Harley-Davidson. Go ahead and roll, holler at my boy JB. Drop this beast off, man. So excited, guys. Running into traffic, man. We're in Atlanta right now. About to hit I-20 West by Six Flags over here.
About to run into a little traffic, but hey, we almost there, guys. We got like 15 minutes. 8.3 miles away. Almost there. Man, I can't wait to get this bike back. I can't wait to get it back, man. I'm telling you, I'm like so excited. I was excited when I made the freaking appointment, man. I was like, oh hell yeah. Once I purchased the parts and they gave me my appointment, they were like, hell yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait. Like I said, this bike runs like crazy right now, but I know when I get it back, oh my God, man, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy, man. I can't wait. This bike will burn tires right now. Stop, like it'll light that back tire. No holding the brake or nothing. Just dump that clutch and go crazy. So I know when I get it back. We're really gonna have it going. Yes, indeed. About to be pulling up. Pulling up, guys. We are pulling up. We are pulling up to the shop. Yeah, we here, man. We are here. We have made it to our destination, guys. Time to get this party started, man. We're Atlanta. Hey, what's up, guys? We're at Atlanta Harley-Davidson, man. Dropping the king off. Dropping the king off, man. We about to get some work done. I can't tell you guys what's going on. We about to do. We about to get something. Do something real special, man. Gonna be a whole nother bite when we come back. Whole nother bite. I'm super excited. Can't wait, man. So happy. Yes, indeed. It's before and after, man. About to be. Woo! Yeah, I just dropped my baby off, man. About to get me a ride to the house. Thank you guys for tuning in, man. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support, man. Hey, what's up, guys? So today is the day, man. We're going to pick up the Road King. It was ready yesterday. She texted me yesterday and told me it was ready like 1 or 2 o'clock. Unfortunately, my daughter had surgery, man. I wasn't able to make it yesterday. But I'm so excited, man. I'm super excited. Can't wait to get over here and get on it. Can't wait to feel this power, man. I already know it's about to go crazy right now. So yeah, we had some engine work done. I'm super excited, man. I'm on the way right now. So Atlanta Harley-Davidson, Lithia Springs, Georgia. On the way to pick my baby up right now, man. Hey, I'm super excited, guys. Can't wait. Daughter had surgery yesterday. Everything went well. She's she's sore, but we're good. So back to it, man. I just been grinding, man. Just been grinding. So today it is Saturday. It's like 2:40, guys. 2:40 p.m. Super excited. Can't wait, man. Can't wait. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, guys. If it's your first time on the channel, thanks for the support, man. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment. Appreciate every single one of you guys, man. We will not stop. We will not stop. We got a lot in store for the Road King, though. A lot in store for the Road King. A lot of modifications to the Road King. A lot of content coming all winter long. I'm gonna keep posting, keep grinding. Not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep the videos coming. I'm gonna be consistent from this day on. So I purchased the Road King for the channel. Personally for the channel, man. We got a lot of events coming up. You know, it's about to be January. A lot of events coming up all year long. You know what? You know it's up with the bike life. It's always something going on. So I'm gonna keep you guys locked in, try to get you the best content, the best footage possible. But yeah, guys, we're on the way to pick up the Road King, man. See you in a minute. Let's go. Right, so we made it, man. We're at Harley. We're at Atlanta Harley-Davidson here to pick up the King, man. Thing looking good. She is looking good, man. We got the big boy. She is looking good. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, man. Can't wait to hear this bad boy. Can't wait to fire up, man. Yeah. It's up. I'm about to go ahead and pay. Get the key. Take a little ride, man. Yes, indeed. I'm super excited, man. So excited. So excited, man. Yes, sir.
Put no handles on. I'm like, so what if I need to open it from the outside?
Hey guys, we just picked up the King, man. Just got the paperwork, just cashed out. We got that D&D billet cat, man. Got a big cam. Yeah, so we're about to get y'all a sound test real quick. Let you hear this thing real quick. Let y'all hear this thing purr. Sounds so damn good, man. God dang, bro. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, man. I am loving it, guys. Look, it's like 40 degrees out here today. I'm about to get to the house, man. I'm about to put this gear on, hit the road, man. Catch you guys in a minute. Peace. Yeah, guys, I know I could have went with better cams. Could have got more horsepower, could have got more torque using a different cam. Actually, I'm loving that 30-30 cam. I love the sound of that 30-30 cam, and it definitely performs. Shout out to Star Racing. Bryce, I've been watching him. He's really got it dialed in over there. But yeah, guys, so I have a 4-year extended warranty. So I do want to take advantage of my warranty. I bought it, so I do want to take advantage of it. And just to, you know, just knowing the fact that, hey, if I'm in Texas, if I'm 10, 20 hours away, if something happens, I'm covered, I'm fine. You know what I'm saying? So
If this was just gonna be a bar hopping bike, I was just gonna be riding around town, riding around the city, I would have went crazy with the motor, all out, high performance, aftermarket parts. But the fact that I'm gonna be going state to state on this bike, I definitely want that assurance. So I had to go Screaming Eagle everything, just to keep my warranty, keep it valid. I didn't want to waste that $3,000 I spent on that warranty. It's a reason why I got it, so I do want to take advantage of that. But I'm actually loving the way this freaking torque cam is. I'm loving the performance that it is giving me. It's a night and day. Totally different bike, totally different animal. Now I'm loving it. Yeah, I could have got more horsepower, more torque, but I'm actually satisfied with where I am right now. And I'm gonna do that 131 build. So I'm definitely gonna do the 131, the Screaming Eagle 131 kit. So that should put me where I want to be as far as horsepower and torque. And still have my warranty. So I'm happy, guys. I'm happy with it. If you want to keep your warranty, go Screaming Eagle. You know what I'm saying? If you're gonna ride your bike state to state, man, keep your warranty. Get the warranty. You know what I'm saying? They cover hotels. They give you money for food. They'll tow it for free. Like all of that. The advantages that comes along with that extended warranty, man, is definitely worth it. I'm gonna be traveling a lot, so I definitely want that security. But I say, I'm satisfied. I love it. This thing pulls like crazy. So before there was a slight lag, now there's no lag at all. Like as soon as you twist that throttle, she reacts. So yeah, I'm loving it. Definitely love you. If you ride and stop, like I said, you want to keep your warranty, go torque cam, go Screaming Eagle all the way, save your warranty, man. If you just gonna be riding around your city, around town, go crazy. Go aftermarket, go the best, the best cam, loudest cam, hardest in cam, hot, best torque. Go all out. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be riding this bike state to state. So I want to keep my warranty. 131 coming soon. That's definitely gonna give me all of the power that I could possibly need for my, for what I'm doing. But yeah, guys, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Shout out to Atlanta Harley-Davidson, man. They gave me a super deal on the parts. Great deal on the labor as well. Took it in December, so as you know, December is slow. So if you want to get some work done, go in the wintertime. They're running specials. They're running deals in the winter. Save you a couple of $100, man. A few $100 actually, but yeah, like I said, man, I'm loving it. Screaming Eagle all day. Hey guys, so when I tell you this thing rips, this bike rips, man. It's freaking insane. Like seriously, man, I love it. That when it gets up, quick. It gets up, that torque is there, like just twisted and it goes, like it moves, man. So I was able to get it up to 120 and it came down. That governor kicked in. But guys, it moves. When I tell you it moves, oh my God. Like when I say night and day, I mean night and day, man. This is a whole nother freaking animal. I love it, guys. I love it. I'm telling you, this bike moves, man. It goes. I'm satisfied, guys. Yeah, I could have went with a better cam, more horsepower, more torque. But where I'm at right now, I'm satisfied. I love it. I think Harley did a great job with it, keeping it within the standards, guys.